Using the Miracle Moist conditioner, revitalizing or something like that by Ossie. It's good conditioner, but this bottle is hurting my thumb. I gotta get up in that crease check because I don't really know. Is that a bump or something? Why I don't want to get on that little part right there? Y'all see that? Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate your guys' support. So guys, today is a new day. It is late in the day actually, and guys, I just wanted to do a productive routine, if that's what you want to call it. How to have a productive night routine. I am not feeling my best, and I've been procrastinating for the last 20 minutes, but I'm fighting it. And so, as I'm fighting my procrastination, I knew that I wanted to wash my hair. It needs washing because I've been working out and everything, and I've been wearing it curly, so I'll wet it and things of that nature. Then working out, and just from the heat, and it's hot outside, just sweating, I was like, I just really need to wash my hair. So I got up, I just got done washing my hair. I washed the dishes first, and then what I did was I made some turkey burgers for tomorrow, and all I did was I had that ranch packet dressing. I've used that. This is like my 4th time using it, and I'm done with the packet. And all I did was I just put the ranch powder dressing in the ground turkey, and made me 6 burgers, and they'll be for tomorrow and the day after that. So I was like, let me just go ahead on and cook that and put that in the oven since the ground turkey was thawed out. I was going to cut up some red onions, however, I just was not in the mood to do all of that. But I'm pushing myself. And this might be too much TMI, but you guys are my chat partners. I'm on my monthly. And when you're a woman of my age, over 40, it's very different. Very different, and it's difficult at times. But you know what? It's okay. I'm going to keep going, keep pushing through, and keep it going. I'm just going to put some conditioner in my hair, guys. Nothing too major. And I'm going to let that sit for a while. I'll probably let that sit for about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my hair air dry. And once it's done drying, and it's not going to take that long, once it's done drying, I'm going to flat iron it. And I'm not trying to be funny, y'all. This conditioner, I'm using the Miracle Moist conditioner, revitalizing or something like that by Ossie. It's good conditioner, but this bottle is hurting my thumb by squeezing it. Put this little plastic cap on my head. Perfect. Put this on my head. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. We'll put this face mask on. Then once I'm done with the face mask and I let it sit on my face for a while, I'm going to wash my face. I don't want to wash my face first and then put the mask on because, I mean, you can do it that way, but to me, I'm thinking I want to just put the mask on my face. And then once I wash the mask off, then clean my face, if that makes sense. Because I feel like the mask is going to help pull some of the impurities out. And I feel like it'll be okay. And I'm using this Pure Glow I'm sorry, Pure Glow. I'm using this Pure Clay Glow Mask here. And it's by L'Oreal. And I got this actually from my daughter. She bought this for me. So I'm just going to put this on my face and let it sit for a while. Guys, comment below and let me know if you use a face mask. And if so, what brand or what kind do you use? And why do you use it? And I have this bump here, guys. It's been here for like a couple of days and it's kind of sore too. So that's another reason why I want to put this mask on. And then just in general, overall, I just really need to work on my skincare routine. I really need to do that because I slack when it comes to that. I'm not too much on like the fillers, and that's just not my thing. I'm 46 and I've never had fillers, lip injections, Botox, none of that. Somebody might say whoop the damn do, but you're right, whoop the damn do, because I don't, that's just not my thing. I don't think nothing of it. I want to age naturally, gracefully. I do dye my hair now. I do that. I ain't gonna tell you, know. Okay, guys. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to plan for the month of July. I know this kind of grainy looking, or might not be that clear, but you guys can see me. So I'm getting ready to plan for the month of July and go ahead and get that done. It's certain things that I have planned for the month of July that I just need to get things in order. And I also need to make me a to-do list, transfer some information from one of my books to my planner, and get that situated and get that sorted out for the month of July.